Hi Alexis, I wanted to make this video. I'm disappointed you didn't seem to take any criticism slash critiques that everyone gave you throughout the class. So I wanted to reiterate some of those comments. Number one, it's really hard to read type on a busy background. It's super hard to read decorative type in paragraph form. And finally, yellow on orange is just painful to try to read. So it's not a welcoming sight. I do understand that you like the Halloween slash horror genre and you want to get that across. But at the same time, you need to pay attention to graphic design rules regarding legibility, readability, and basic things like that. Because someone in the horror genre might hire you, but they want to make sure that you have the design skills uh, for whatever comes across their desk. All right. Also, this drawing you did not do, but because it is in your portfolio presented like this, it looks like you did it. So that's a little, I mentioned this a couple times, it's a little deceptive. The wording too, it was a watercolor assignment, comic, I chose Lady Death, I used water for lighting details. So, um, yeah, so at no point in this explanation do you say that you did this drawing. So you didn't answer me when I asked you about it, but this looks like you did it. So that's wonderful if you did it. If you just used watercolor on it, you need to be super clear about that. Because if somebody realizes you didn't do it, but it's presented this way, they're going to wonder, you know, how you might damage their business. So I'm going to assume now that you drew this. If you have this kind of amazing drawing skills, you need to show more of it so that there's no doubt that you could handle any kind of job. All right, so that said, I wanted to go back into this. Again, I made comments about this. You can see it. Like, I don't think you should use all uh, of these mock-ups because an art director is going to want to see the details. Something like this, you want to show the borders because it's on a white background. So I'm not going to reiterate everything I said, like do better photographs or whatever. I just want to make this video for the record. So when you see that you don't have a great grade, it's because you didn't take any criticism into account. You didn't update anything. All right, so if you have any questions, let me know. I do think that you have talent. You just need to review some of the past critiques and think about legibility and basic design work. Like, okay. All right, let me know if you have any questions.